Welcome to day 8 of the Self-Love Meditation Challenge. Congratulations for being on this journey and for taking the time to create yourself and create the unique connection with your higher self. Today, we will explore abundance. Being in a state of abundance is not wanting more, is not wanting more relationships, more money, more health, more positive thoughts and feelings. Being in abundance is feeling and believing and knowing that all the things you desire have already happened in your life. Being in an abundant state allows all the possibilities to come into your life. Our brains are naturally wired for survival. So cultivating an abundance mindset has to be a conscious practice. Just like you're building your muscles while going to the gym, you will be building your abundance muscle. Being in abundance is not wanting more things and asking for more things. When you are in a state of pure abundance, you know, you feel, and you are certain that all the things that you desire have already happened in your life. You have more relationships, you have more money, you have more health, you are successful, you are loved and desired. All these things have already happened in your life in a very near future to you. All you have to do is follow the steps and get there. Priming yourself for abundance is a practice that you can do every single morning. Repeat this meditation as many times as needed. First thing in the morning, to prime yourself and to practice your abundance connection to the universe. Now see yourself in a year from now. Take yourself there and imagine that it was the most successful year of your life. You are happy, you are healthy, you are radiant, and you look back. As you look back to the most successful year of your life, what do you see? What do you feel? Don't just logically connect the dots. See it, believe it, feel it. How happy you are, how successful you are, how much you love yourself. Allow the sense to engulf your body and your mind. As you go deeper into the meditation, keep this thought in your mind. I am abundant in every possible way. I am abundant in every possible way. I am abundant in every possible way. As you slowly come back to the room, keep this picture of you in 12 months from now with the best year of your life. Allow the image and the feelings to be stored in your mind and in your body. Allow the certainty of your future to guide you for the next 12 months. You are abundant in every single possible way. Move into abundance and stay in the abundance by priming yourself every single morning for all the possibilities that already happened and are waiting for you to get there. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.